Hello friends, welcome to the Amu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our eighth one. They are given that sum of n terms is defined as 4n minus n square. So what we have to find it here is, so what is the sum of two terms? First two terms, and what is second term, and what is third term, and what is 10th term, and what is the last one, what is nth term. So here we need to find number of terms n, and we have to find the terms which they are asked. So sum of n terms. So what is the sum of n terms? Let given that Sn will be equal to 4n minus n square. So this is sum of n terms. So actually let's going to take a1, a2, a3, a4 and so on up to an. So sum of first term is equal to sum of first term will be equal to first term only. So why? Because S1 will be equal to A1, that is equals to A. Why? Because we are taken, so let's going to take first term up to some first term only as sum only, that is equal to first term. Then what is S2? S2 will be equal to A1 plus A2, A1 plus A2. So first sum of first two terms will be equal to S2. Then S3 A1 plus A2 plus A3. So this is the case like this. So this is the sum formula will be going to define. So what is A1? That it will be equal to S1. So 4n square minus, sorry, what is this? N square. So 4 into 1 minus 1 square. So 4 minus 1, we will get it as 3. So A1 will be equal to 3. So we got first term. Then what is sum of two terms? So that is S2 will be equal to 4n minus n square, that is 4 into 2 minus 2 square. So 4 2s are 8 minus 2 square is 4, that is equals to 4. So S2 will be equal to 4. So S2 will be equal to 4. Then what we have to find it? So actually S2 will be equal to what? A1 plus A2, correct? Sum of first two terms. So then what is A2? That is S2 minus A1. So what is A2? S2 minus A1. So A2 will be equal to, S2 is what? 4 minus A1 is what? 3. So we will get it as 1. So A2 will be equal to 1. So A2 will be equal to 1. So this is the case. Then what is A3? Third term. A plus n minus 1 into D. So first term is 3 plus n will be equal to 3 minus 1. What is the common difference? So we don't know what is the common difference, but here we can find it. So what is the common difference? So let's going to find here. The difference will be equal to A2 minus A1. Let's A2 minus A1. A2 will be equal to 1 minus of A1 will be equal to minus 3. So we will get it as minus 2. So what is the common difference? That is minus 2. Sorry for that. So minus 2. Let's going to keep 3 plus 3 minus 1 will be minus 2. So 3 minus plus 4. So what value we will get? Minus 1. So A3 will be equal to minus 1. Then what is A4? They're asked A10. Sorry, A10. So A10 will be equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A will be equal to 3. 10 minus 1 into common difference is minus 2. So 3 plus 9 into minus 2. So 3 plus into minus minus, 9 2s are 18, then minus 15. So A10 will be equal to minus 15, then nth term will be equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A will be equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into minus 2. So this is the value. So 3 plus, so here what value we will get it? So n minus, let's going to take minus 2 here and n minus 1. So 3 minus 2 into n minus 1. So what is the value here is 3 minus 2n. Minus into minus will become plus. 2 ones are 2. So 5 minus 2n. So an will be equal to 5 minus 2n. So this is the values. This is the way to find the given series for the any sum of n terms they will going to give. So thanks for watching. Please like it and try to share with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.